We will cook tender pork loin today, with delicious marjoram sauce. You will need pork, onion, garlic, flour, marjoram, salt and pepper, and lard or frying oil. Peel a small onion. Dice the onion finely. Heat up a pan. Add a tablespoon of lard or frying oil. Fry the diced onion until it starts turning brown. While the onion is frying, tenderize the pork loin steaks. This will make the meat a bit thinner and softer. Season the pork with salt and pepper from both sides. Place a little bit of plain, all-purpose flour on a plate and dip each of the steaks in the flour, coating the whole surface. Once the onion has browned, peel 1 clove of garlic and put it through a garlic press. Next, add the meat to the pan. Fry the meat briefly from both sides. Add another tablespoon of plain flour. Cover the meat in boiling water and simmer it gently for about half an hour or until the meat is tender. Stir the sauce from time to time. After half an hour, add 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram. Cook the meat in the sauce for another minute or 2. We are serving the meat together with decorative pasta, but it would also go well together with potatoes, rice, or dumplings.